Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a super quick video of just some of my favorite products that I've been loving lately. It's been a while since I have uploaded my favorite products. I was trying to do it monthly and life just got busy, but I am back with some products that I really have been loving. I've only got 5 products actually to share with you guys. I decided to keep it really light, really simple while I jump back into the swing of things. But the first product I have is a makeup product. It is a concealer from ColourPop. It's their no filter concealer. I know that when this launched, it launched a while ago actually. It got kind of a lot of backlash for being too dry and looking too cakey under the eyes. I, however, really like it. I don't use a whole lot. I don't do the triangle method underneath. I just do like a swipe here and a swipe here, and then the same over here, a swipe and a swipe. And I just blend it out really quickly, and it seems to work really well for me. I do have it in the shade Fair 2, which I believe is like the second fairest shade, but I do really like it. I think that it provides really good coverage. It covers any dark circles that I might have or any darkness that I have, and I just think that it does a really good job. So I do like this product. I do recommend it. I have recommended it to a few of my friends already, and it's pretty inexpensive too. I think it's like $6, so you can't go wrong with that. I do like this product. Next up, I have a body product. This is from Sunday Rain, and it's the Scrub Away Body Scrub in Acai Berry. It looks like this. I got this when I went to Beautycon in August, and I've been using it and loving it. It smells really nice, really fresh and juicy, and it does such a good job at taking off any dead skin that I might have. And my body is super, super dry, so I've got a lot of dead skin to come off. I know that sounds gross, but it's true, unfortunately. And this does such a wonderful job at removing that dead skin and exfoliating my body and leaving it nice and soft and smooth. Next up, to go along with body products, this one is from Nivea, and it's the body cream essentially enriched with almond oil for dry to very dry skin. I love Nivea cream for like everyday use, putting it on after I take a shower, because my skin is so dry that it actually hurts after I get out of the shower. Like, it feels like little needles just stabbing me. It hurts really bad, and I have to put lotion on right away, and this stuff is amazing. It's super creamy, it's super moisturizing, it works really well and helps take some of that sting away. So I do really like this product. I have a couple different variations of the Nivea cream. This one just happens to have almond oil in it, and it's a little bit probably a smoother consistency. It's not as thick and heavy as the original Nivea cream that I've talked about before. Next up, I have 2 hair products. These are the last things that I have to share with you, and I also received these when I went to Beautycon. The first one is the tea tree shampoo for cleaning and purifying, and both these products are from VoxBox. I talked about them when I filmed my Beautycon haul, so if you're interested in seeing that, I will have it linked down below. But basically, VoxBox is a company that if you purchase their products, they will donate part of the proceeds to an organization or a charity to help those in need. Along with that, they donate bars of soap to people in need, and it's really cool because on the back they have this hope code. So you go in onto their website, you put the hope code in, and it will tell you what organization your purchase is benefiting. So that's really cool. I really like this. I talked a lot about the tea gel shampoo from Equate or Up and Up from Target that I absolutely love. It helps with my dry scalp and my dandruff, and I have pretty much replaced that with this product. I've been using it every time I shower. I've run out of the tea gel product and just been using this one, and I really like it. It does such a great job at removing any buildup from my hair, and I really do enjoy this. And it's probably a little bit cheaper to purchase this one. Yes, it's going to be more expensive overall, but the bottle contains more product, and I'm not going through it nearly as fast as I was with the tea gel, and this is going to help someone in need. So that's really, really cool. So I do really like this. I believe you can find them at CVS, or you can purchase their products online. So as I said, the next product is also from VoxBox, and this is their coconut oil rejuvenating deep conditioner. This is what it looks like. There's the top of it, and this is just a really, really nice deep conditioning hair mask. So after I shampoo my hair and rinse it out, then I will put this on my ends and just kind of scrunch it through the rest of my hair, and it does such a good job at leaving my hair feeling so smooth and so soft and manageable. I actually used it last night once again, and it's so amazing. I love this product, and I've been using it a lot, like once to twice a week, and I still have a ton left in there. It smells really, really good. Kind of like bananas, even though it says coconut oil. I think it smells really good. It reminds me of the Briogeo banana shampoo that they just recently came out with, that Danny from Coffee Break with Danny's always talking about. So I really like it. It's super nice, and these products together work amazing. I have the regular conditioner in a bottle like this as well, but these two are my absolute favorites that I've tried from the brand. So that is everything that I have for my favorite products that I've been loving lately. I know it was super simple and not very many products, but I just kind of want to get back into the swing of things and just really show you products that I truly have been loving lately. So hopefully you enjoyed this quick video. Hope you stick around, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you